friends, Janet here. Welcome to my channel where I hope to inspire you to create a home and a life you love. Well, this week I've been busy getting ready for a bridal photo shoot that's going to be at my house, both working on florals for the inside and getting the gardens ready. And one of the things I thought that I should do was add some cute wreaths to the outside doors in case they end up in some of the shots. So I'm going to make 2 wreaths today, and I thought I'd show you how I make a hydrangea wreath because it is so simple, anyone can do it. All you need is a grapevine wreath, which you can get at like a Michael's or any kind of craft store, and your hydrangeas. So for the hydrangeas, it's best to get the flowers right when they finish blooming before they get brown or too dried out, because that way they're not too crispy and they will be able to kind of form into your wreath and then dry out on the wreath in that form that you've created. So that's really the only trick to it. Other than that, it's super simple. So what you want to do is cut the hydrangea stem about 4 to 6 inches long, and get another one here so you can see. So when the hydrangea comes off the plant, it's like this, and you want to just pull off, just strip off these leaves. So that's it. Then what you're going to do is stick the hydrangeas into the wreath. No glue, no wire, nothing, very simple. So all you need is your shears or some clippers, and you're going to just stick it in to the wreath form. And I kind of go from left to right around the entire wreath. So let's get the next one in kind of next to it. So that one is a little bit more to the right. And then another one left, and then right, and so on around the entire wreath. So I'm just going to make that now, and you can kind of watch. And then for my other wreath, I'm kind of just doing a creative wreath. I'm not sure what it's going to turn out like because, you know, I like to just wing it with these kind of creative projects. So I bought a bunch of different things that I thought would look really cute in the wreath. I got these lavender and wheat combos at Home Depot, and they smell really good because of the lavender. So I thought that's kind of nice on a door. You walk in, you get that little breath of lavender. And then because we're doing all these wedding florals, I have some leftover eucalyptus, 2 kinds, eucalyptus with the seeds, but also the, I think it's in here, yeah, the silver dollar eucalyptus, which has kind of a rounder leaf, so I think that's real pretty. And we have some hypericum left over, and I also got some dried flowers just to add some bright colors in there. So that's what I'm going to be making, and why don't you follow along now as I make a hydrangea wreath. Okay, so again, I went to the left, to the right, and now I'm just going to go again to the right here. there you have it, your natural hydrangea wreath. And it's so quick and simple. So I added a few little decorative elements just for the wedding that I'm gonna take off and then just kind of fluff it up a little, let it dry out without these little extra touches. And you know, you could do something like this if you're hosting an event. Also, it would look beautiful with fresh roses or other fresh flowers, and then when they're spent, just remove them. So it's quick, it's simple, and I hope that you take the time to make your own natural hydrangea wreath, and that every time you come home and you open your front door, that seeing that wreath that you made brings you joy. Remember, always do something that helps you create a home and a life you love. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified of other videos. And of course, like this video if you liked it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you again in the next video. Ciao for now.